So today we are going to prepare the muskmelon punch. So firstly we'll start off by de-seeding the muskmelon. For 2 servings we will need half of this fruit. The next step is to scoop out the flesh. The melon I've used is actually really hard and I'm having a hard time with this, but it's usually easier than this. If you would like to have the punch from the muskmelon rind or the peel, then make sure to keep the peel aside for later use. Now set some of the muskmelon flesh aside and we will have to roughly chop this. Now before we blend the muskmelon into it, we will add 2.5 tablespoons of sugar and 250 ml of milk. After blending it, we will add some of it into the muskmelon rind and then add in some of the chopped muskmelon pieces we kept aside. Then add 2 scoops of ice cream. I have used caramel cookie ice cream for this. You can use vanilla ice cream too, and then again we will add some milkshake into it. And lastly, we'll garnish it with chopped muskmelon pieces and chopped almonds. Your muskmelon punch is now ready to be served. I am going to serve the other bit in a glass. You will have to use the same procedure. I would love to hear from you. If you prepare this or any of my recipe, please post a picture of it on Instagram or Facebook and tag my account. My account details are down in the description box. Please send me a screenshot of the same. Till then, enjoy your drink and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.